Are you still using traditional locks? It's time to upgrade to your security with the latest biometric technology. Introducing the eSSL Biometric Door Lock, a smart solution for your homes or office. It's rumor lock with or forgotten password. Unlock with your fingerprint, use a PIN code or RFID card. Comes with your mechanical key backup, built-in alarm system for extra safety, easy to install, stylish design, and works on most doors. Perfect for homes, offices, hostels, clinics. Get yours today in Global IT Solutions, Rajajinagar. Contact me 890-4972-332. We provide installation and demo. Upgrade your lock, upgrade your life. eSSL Biometric Lock, smart, safe, secure.